Kidney.com is your AI kidney health assistant, ready to answer any questions you may have about your kidney health. Kidney.com is an educational platform offering reliable, evidence-based information for anyone interested in understanding kidney health, whether for themselves or a loved one. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions, support others, and take proactive steps toward better kidney care. You can explore Kidney.com in guest mode with up to 10 questions a day, but why stop there? Register for free to unlock extra features that personalize your experience and support your kidney health journey. Just click the button in the top right corner. Once you log in to Kidney.com, you'll land on the chat page. To begin, simply click on one of the suggested questions. The AI assistant will reply and show links to trusted information. You can click these links to visit external websites and learn more. You can also start a chat by typing your own question. The AI kidney assistant will reply just as before, with links to trusted information that you can click to explore further. To begin a new conversation on a different topic, click the New Chat button in the upper left corner. You'll see a few icons in the chat window. You can use them to rate the AI kidney assistant's reply, report an incorrect answer, or copy the response to use elsewhere. You can find all your past conversations by clicking the History button. If you find the text hard to read, you can easily adjust the contrast, screen theme, or font size. Simply choose the option that works best for you to enjoy the chat experience. If you're unsure of what to do, helpful tooltips are right at your fingertips. Congratulations! You're all set to explore Kidney.com. Create your free account today to unlock personalized features and get even more support on your journey to better kidney health.